Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. So today we'll be starting with a very interesting and a very relatable topic, that is time and temperature. Let's look at the learning objectives. In this chapter, we will learn about how to tell the time on a clock to the nearest minutes. We will write the time using AM and PM and tell the time in 24-hour clock notation. We will convert time from one unit to other. We will understand addition and subtraction. We will find the elapsed time during an activity, and we will read and interpret the calendar, and we will understand concept and units of temperature, students. Now, let's recall. You have to complete these sentences and revise the relationship between different units of time. There are, very good students, 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in an hour. Now, reading time to the exact time. The shorthand or the hour end always denote the hour and it is at or has passed by. For example, if the hour end is at exactly at 7, it means it's 7 o'clock. And if the hour end is at somewhere between 7 and 8, it means that the time is 7 hours and some minutes. Now let's look at the long hand or minute hand. Always denotes the minute it is at, and one way is to start counting the number of small markings from 12. Between every two numbers, there are 4 small markings. To find out where the minute hand is, we have to multiply the nearest number it has passed with 5, and we have to add the remaining small markings, if any. Now we will check the position of the minute hand accurately, and then we will extend the length to see which mark it reaches or use a ruler. For example, students, we have to write the time shown in the clock. The minute hand has passed 2 and 3 as its marking ahead, students. So it is 2 into 5, that is 10 plus 3, 13 minutes. So the time is 7:13. So we can write it as 13 past 7. Write in AM and PM. When will you go in the park for a walk, students? At 6 o'clock, Riya is saying. So Raman is saying that 6 o'clock in the morning or evening. Telling time as 6 o'clock does not specify whether it is 6 o'clock in the morning or in the evening, students. So to avoid such kind of confusion, we express time as AM or PM. Now the time from midnight 12 to 12 noon is expressed as AM, and AM means ante-meridium or before the midday time. And the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is expressed as PM, and PM means post-meridium or after midday. Let us understand it this way, students. We have 1 day is equals to 24 hours, and that is equals to 12 hours plus 12 hours. So first half is of AM and the second half is of PM part, that is post meridium. Now let's look at example number 2, students. We said that Pinky goes to school at 7 o'clock in the morning. This can be written as Pinky go to school at 7 AM. Raju has its lunch at 1:30 in the afternoon. So Raju has its lunch at 1:30 PM. Practice time is, students, in the first one, the hour hand has been drawn for you. You have to draw the minute hand to show the correct time. 3:50, students. So 50 ke liye what we will do, students? We will draw it at 10. Now in the next one, we have to write the following time in words. How we can write in words, students? Very good. That is 5:25 AM in the morning. 24-hour time notation. We have already studied 24-hour clock in class 3rd. The 24-hour time notation is represented by 24-hour clock. The time from 12 midnight to 12 midnight one day is given as 00 hours to 24 hours. Here the first 2 digits refers the hours and the last 2 digits refers the minutes. So 3:40 PM or 15:40, that is 15 represent the hours and 40 represent the minutes. So 12-hour time, here is the 24-hour time for them. 12:1 is 0001 hour, 1 is 0100 hours, 2 is 02 hours, 3 is 0300 hours, 4 is 0400 hours. Here is again 12-hour time and 24-hour time. 12 noon can be written as 0200 hours. 1 PM can be written as 1300 hours. 2 PM 1400 hours, 3 PM 1500 hours, and 4 PM as 1600 hours. 5 AM can be written as 0500 hours, 6 AM 600, 7 700, 8 AM 800, 9 AM 900, 10 AM 10,000, 11 AM 1100, 12 AM 1200 hours, and 5 PM as 1700, 6 PM as 1800, 7 PM as 1900, and 8 PM as 2000, 9 PM as 2100 hours, and 10 PM as 2200 hours, 11 PM as 2300 hours. 12 midnight can be written as 2400 hours or 4 times 0 hours. Thus 8:35 am can be written as 0835 hours, 3:15 can be written as 15:15 hours, 11:40 am can be written as 11:40 hours, 11:50 can be written as 23:50 hours. Always note students, 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute, 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, so 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60th of the hour. Now conversion of time, converting from hours to minutes or minutes to hours. We can convert the hours into minutes or minute into hours by using the following. Hours to minute, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and minute to hours is 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hours. Example number 3, we have to convert the time in hours to minutes. 4 hours can be written as 4 into 60, that is 240 minutes. 5 and half can be written as 5 into 60, that is half into 60, that is 300 plus 30, that is 330 minutes. Now let's look at example number 4. We have to convert the time in minutes to hours. 140 minute as 140 by 60, that is 2 hours 20 minutes. 240 minutes can be written as 240 by 60, that is 4 hours. Know your skill students, what is the time? 3 hours after 10 am. Very good students, that is 1 pm. Practice time B. In the first one, we have to write am or pm. I go to sleep at 10:30. Very good students, pm. In the next one, we have to convert it into 24-hour clock time. So it will be, very good students, 15 hours. In the next one, we have to convert it into 12-hour clock time. So 17:50 can be written as, very good students, that is 5:50 pm. In the next one, how many minutes are there in 5 hours? That is 5 into 60 students, that is equals to 300 minutes. That's how you can complete the remaining parts. Next is our addition of time students. In this both examples, we have to add the times. So what we will do students, we will make a column for minute and hours, then we will add them like the ordinary numbers. So here the sum is 6 hours 50 minutes and here the sum is 11 hours 70 minutes. So what we will do students, we will convert this 70 minutes to as 1 hour and 10 minutes. So it can be written as 12 hour 10 minutes. Now let's look at the subtraction of time students. Here we are subtracting time in both the cases. Now firstly we make a column of minutes, then a column of hours, again a column of minute and a column of hours. So here the difference we get is 5 hours 15 minutes. Here the difference we get is 2 hours 50 minutes. Since we know that 30 is less than 40, so we will regroup hours and minutes, and after that 7 hours is changed into, very good students, that is 6 hours, and here we will get 60 minutes. So we have 7 hours 30 minutes, that is equals to 6 hours 90 minutes, and then the answer is 2 hours 50 minutes. Now let's start with practice time C students. In the first one, we have to add the following. Here is the column of hours, here is the column of minutes students. This is 7 hours 54 minutes, this is 4 hours 12 minutes. So it becomes, very good students, that is 6, again 6, and this is 11. 11 hours 66 minutes can be written as, very good students, that is 12 hours 6 minutes. In the next one, we have to subtract the following students. So it is, here is the column of hours, here is the column of minutes. 9 hours 36 minutes minus 4 hours 42 minutes. So this is 6 minus 2 is 4. 13 minus 4 is, very good students, that is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4 students. So this can be written as, very good students, 4 hours 54 minutes. As we can change it into 60 plus 54. So it can be changed as 4 hours 54 minutes. Now let's start with the calendar. A calendar is a record of the months, week and days in a year. Now here is a calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. It is a record of 12 months of a year. One year has 365 days, it has 52 weeks, and a day is a time when Earth takes a complete one rotation on its axis. Now in one day is the standard unit of time students. 1 year is equivalent to 365 days and 7 days makes 1 week. Here is a week students: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Months. There are 12 months in a year. The number of days in various months are as follows. Here is the months of year, here is the number of days, and here is a short form. January 31 days, Jan. February 28 or 29 days, Feb. March 31 days, MAR. April 30 days, APR. May 31 days May, June 30 days June, July 31 days July, August 31 days AUG, September 30 days Sep, October 31 days Oct, November 30 days Nev, and December 31 days as DEC. So students, here we have given short months in their spaces like 30 days. Start is here 31 days, and then again we will count from the back. So April, June, September and November has 30 days. All of the rest have 31 days except February, which has 28 days and 29 days in a leap year. To find the number of days in a year, here you have to calculate this, students. So there are 365 days in a year. Once in every year has an extra day. A year with 366 days is a leap year. Every fourth year is a leap year, and the extra day is added to February, which then has 29 days. And here are some leap years: 2004, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 2024. Which leap year comes after 2024, students? How can you find it? You will, as we know, 2000 is a leap year while 1900 is not. To find the number of weeks in a year, we divide 365 by 7. Since each week has 7 days, so that means 52 weeks and 1 day. There are 52 weeks and 1 day extra. By studying the calendar, we learned that 7 days is equals to 1 week, 365 days is equals to 1 year, 2 weeks is equals to 1 fortnight, about 52 weeks makes 1 year, 12 months makes 1 year, 100 years makes a century, 366 days makes 1 leap year, about 4 weeks makes a month, 10 years makes 1 decade, and 1000 year makes 1 millennium. We call the years 1900 to 1990 the 20th century, and the years from 1000 to 2099 is the 21st century, students. Now months and years. We already knew that 12 months is equals to 1 year, students. Now we have to change 1 year, 7 months, 2 months. So what we'll do, students, we will write 1 year as 12 months and then we will add 7 months, so it becomes 19 months. Or we can change months to year and months as follows. For example, 20 months is equals to 12 months plus 8 months, that can be written as 1 year, 8 months. Now let's look at example number 9, students. If 10 April 2018 was a Tuesday, what was the day on 30 April 2018? The same day is repeated after every 7 days. After 10 April, the next day, Tuesday, fell on 17th of April and then on 24th of April. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Therefore, counting ahead from 24 April, 30 April 2018 was a Monday. Now let's start with practice time days, students. In the first one, how many months have 28 days? Very good, students, that is 1. Which of the following years are leap years? Very good, students, 1872. After that, 1984. That's how you have to complete it. Now, how many days are there in the following? 1 week, 3 days, that is 7 plus 3, that is, very good, students, 10 days. Now, in the fourth and fifth, what we have to do, students? Kabir's father took medical leave for 35 days from 15th June 2018. He took 35 days leave, students. So, when did he rejoin his duty? What we'll do, students? We'll add the 35 days in it. So, that means they join his duty at 20th July 2018. Next is our temperature, students. Temperature is a measure to describe how hot or cold something is. Unit of temperature is temperature in metric system is measured in degrees Celsius, measuring temperature. The instrument used for measuring temperature is thermometer. It is a thin tube with the colored liquid mercury in it. Types of thermometer are 2 standard units of temperature are measured, that are Fahrenheit degree and Celsius degree, sometimes called as centigrade. Always remember, students, that in India we use the centigrade or the Celsius scale. Celsius thermometer was designed by the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius, so called the word Celsius. In short form, it is called CEL. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, also written as 0 degrees Cel, and boils at 100 degrees Celsius, also written as 100 degrees Cel. Now, in Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here is our clinical thermometer, students. This is a thermometer that are used by doctors to measure the temperature of human body, and it's called a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer here with the Fahrenheit scale and here with the Celsius scale. Nowadays, thermometer with Celsius scale are used by doctors. Before using a clinical thermometer, you should always adjust by giving jerks so as to bring the level of mercury in the tube, which is must below the degree mark 98, which is approximately the body temperature in normal conditions. Now conversion from one unit to another. To change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have to subtract 32 and we have to multiply the result by 5 by 9. Here is the temperature in Fahrenheit, here is the temperature in degree Celsius. For example, students, we have to convert 122 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. In the step 1, we will subtract 32 and in the next step, we will difference it by 5 by 9. When we multiply the difference by 5 by 9, it becomes 50 degrees Celsius. When we change Celsius to Fahrenheit, we will multiply by 9 by 5 and we will add 32. For example, students, we have to convert it into Fahrenheit. Firstly, we will multiply it by 9 by 5 and after that we will add 32. So, it becomes 176 degree Fahrenheit. In the practice time, students, and the first one, can you read the temperature on these thermometers? Very good, students. And the first one, it is 39 degrees Celsius. You have to express the temperature in Fahrenheit scale, students. So, firstly, what we will do, students? You will multiply it by 9 by 5 and then you will add 32 in it. So, it becomes, very good, students, that is 104 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, what we will do, students? Firstly, we will subtract 32. After that, we will multiply it by 5 by 9, students. So, the answer we get is 140 degree Celsius. Let's start with the checkpoint, students. In the first one, we have to write the time shown in the given clocks, that is, very good, students, 2:55. In the next one, write the time in AM or PM, 4:25 in the evening, PM, students. In the next one, we have to convert the 12-hour to 24-hour time. This will be 13:20 hours. We have to convert the 24-hour time to 12-hour time. This will be, very good, students, 11 AM. In the next one, we have to convert the time in hours to minutes. So, we multiply it by 60. That becomes, very good, students, 360 minutes. We have to add and subtract the following terms, students. So, what we will do? We will add them. So, here is the hour column. Here is the minute column. 2, 8, 20, 8, 40. So, this will be 60 and here it will be 10. So, it will be 10 hours 60 minutes, or we can say it as 11 hours, students. Now, next is we have to write the duration of time. Again, in all of these, we have to find the duration, students. So, 5:30 AM to 7:30 AM, what will be the time, students? That is duration, 2 hours. That's how you can complete 9th and 10th part, students. In the next one, we have to convert the days to hours, students. So, what will we do? 1.5 days is equals to, very good, students, that is 24 plus 12, that is equals to 36 hours. In the next one, we have to convert the temperature into Fahrenheit scale. So, what we will do, students? Firstly, we will add 32 multiplied by 9 by 5 and then we will add 32 in it. So, it will become, very good, students, that is 194 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, in this one, we have to convert it into degree Celsius. What we will do, students? We will multiply it by 5 by 9 and then we will subtract 32. So, it will become, very good, students, that is 282 2 by 9 degree Celsius. That's how you can solve the remaining part, students. Next is, Arun saw a report on the internet showing 5 hottest cities on a country in the month of April 2018. First is, which city has the highest temperature? Which city has the highest temperature, students? Very good, that is Chandrapur. That's how you can complete the remaining part, students. Now, I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.